Wala, rebound on. Kalimlim na yun. Dribble out by Avalos. Turn, body shot. Yes! By Avalos. Kalimlim inbound. Followed by Valdez. Back on Kalimlim. Jumper. No good. And then rebound pass break. Kayab. Up and away. Yes! On Kayab. And then Avalos goes to Abdullah, looking for a server, setting the play. 3 seconds by Leon by jersey number 5, Kalimlim. Serve, and then out on jersey number 11, Abdullah, followed by Ribo. Soriano, Reyes back on Soriano. Kalimlim, Kayab, using the left, supply. Napulot pa rin, Kayab, jumper. Wala, put back Fernandez, supply pa rin. Agawan, rebound again by Fernandez. Kinukulit, pasa na naman. And then Bayo running shot. Wala, rebound on. Kalimlim na yun. Dribble out by Avalos. Turn, running shot. Turn, running shot. Yes! By Avalos. Nice move. Avalos para si Kayab. Again pa rin ang Soriano. Pass break again. Give it up. Valdez. Yes, sir. Valdez. Maya. Pindas ang Soriano. Kayab ngayon. 75-63. Medyo lumalayo na. Using the glass by Kayab. And then about by Valdez, given up by Valdez. Valdez ngayon. Binigay na naman by Rebo. Inagawan. And then goes back again. Kayab. Goes Rebo. Put back. Yes, sir. Sidestep. Hindi pumasok. And then Valdez. Binigay kay Avalos. Back on Valdez. Given up on Kalimlim. 10 seconds to shoot. Valdez another jumper again. Soriano. Given up on Mayo. Back on Soriano. Soriano pa rin. Pinasa ka Fernandez, kinukulit ni Rebo. Binigay na naman, Kayab. Sasalasag, 10 seconds to running shot. Wala, rebound, nakatulog pa rin. And then Kayab, big shot. And then offensive foul by jersey number 23, Kayab. Using the elbow. Second personal foul on jersey number 23, Kayab. Rebound by Kalimlim, followed by Valdez. Time remaining 5 minutes and 15 seconds on the fourth and final quarter. And then Valdez dribbling the ball. Valdez pa rin. 10 seconds shoot, another for 3. The post, Napulot nila. And then Valdez, given up by Avalos. And Kalimlim. Pero may foul niya sa baba.